It is the responsibility of an independent volunteer case manager to learn as much about the immigration process as possible and learn about all of the resources that a newly arrived person might need. So this morning I learned about ICE. And I've only ever been to the ICE office before to protest. So this was a little bit different, and I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised by the friendly experience. So me and my client friend walked up to the door and we were greeted with smiles and jokes by the security guard who put us through security and told us to go visit window 2. And at window 2, there was a friendly enough gentleman who was simultaneously playing a war video game on his cell phone and processing paperwork. We stood in front of him for a solid 5 minutes before he even looked up at us, even though I said hi. So, I mean, that's a government job, right? So he was enjoying his video games. That's fine. We gave him the paperwork and then we sat there for about an hour, and then we got a new appointment date and confirmation that the guest address had been changed. Based on the amount of people who were there when we walked up, I was really surprised about how quickly we were seen. And then the hours that are available for these appointments are very limited. So of course there are a lot of people. It was a good enough experience. And tonight I'm going to be showing the new guest a nearby free English class that's provided by Go10. And they provide free English classes and free sewing classes for newly arrived guests. So a day in the life of an independent volunteer case manager, as I've named myself, includes many things like taking people to appointments, acting as an interpreter, even though I only know English. I do somehow end up interpreting from person to person, going shopping, going to doctor's appointments, going to English classes, filling out paperwork, studying law, and any other thing in between. My favorite is obviously going shopping with people, but everybody I know right now is all set, so they don't need to go shopping. Maybe I'll go shopping by myself. Anyway, yeah, everybody's getting settled, although some court dates are between 2024 and 2026. So that leaves these people in limbo, not knowing about their status or their future for years. And I can't imagine how stressful that is. But in the meantime, they're at least here, they're safe, they won't go hungry, and they're not in danger. So that's the least that we can ask for right now.